It's your boy J Will back with another video. In this video, we're gonna set up a campaign from start to finish. We're gonna do keyword research. Gonna pick a product. Let's get it. First, let's go to Digistore24. It's the product we're gonna run with, Still Bite Pro. We're not doing brand bidding on this product. We're gonna do general keywords. I'm gonna do some keyword research. Right here, Banking LL only, save. I'm gonna put tooth decay treatment. Get some keyword suggestions. Let's see. Copy and paste these keywords. Tooth decay. Best treatment. Tooth decay. Tooth decay treatment options. Tooth decay treatment. Severe tooth decay treatment. Just gonna grab all these keywords. How to heal tooth decay. How to cure tooth decay. Alternative treatment for tooth decay. Naturally heal tooth decay. Tooth decay pain treatment. Home remedies for tooth decay. I'll leave that blank. Tooth decay care. Kill tooth decay. Eliminate tooth decay. How to reverse tooth decay. Dental tooth decay. I'm just gonna skip past the rest of these keywords. I'm gonna put it after we got our keywords. Let's go start campaign. Visit to my website. Search ads. Next. Gonna do $20 a day. Tooth decay. It's the name of our campaign. We can just do Canada, United States. Yep. Save and go to next. Just put tooth as the ad group. All these keywords gonna be on the exact match. Select all, copy, paste that in there. Save, go to next. Let's create the ad. How to reverse tooth decay. Watch this secret video. Put in position 2. Let's see. What should I put in the third? Watch the secret video. I just put Still Bite Pro. Still Bite Pro. Then let me grab some. Let me see. use my own. Watch this secret video how to naturally remove tooth decay. Still Bite Pro supplement. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna go to Digistore, gonna grab our link, copy, gonna head on over to ClickMagic, add new link, paste it up in here, go to the ranch, Digistore24, bow, still, bite, direct link, bow, go grab our link, bow, put that in the tracking template, type query string, type device, close. We're gonna do add ID. Close. Then we go to the top of the screen. Gonna paste it up here. Grab our official link. Come on, internet. Come on, internet. Grab this link right here. Copy that, paste that up in here. Here, save. Copy, add. Let's see. Let's say tooth decay treatment. Hit save. We need to do best tooth decay treatment for this one. Best tooth treatment. There we go. Save. Then scroll to the bottom. Hit next. We can do maximize. I want to set my clicks to 35 cents per click. Advance. Add distribution. Bing it LL only and save. So there you go. Just create the ad, general keywords ad. You know, you don't have to do this product. You can do any product you want to. It's just an example. So, however you guys want to do it. But in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment. Follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. You guys have a good night.